Welcome to the cutting edge of food manufacturing. From the moment the harvest arrives, our advanced optical sorters ensure
precision is key. Our automated systems ensure every ingredient is perfectly dosed before the mixture is rapidly bottled and capped. From the moment the fresh tomatoes arrive, advanced automation and strict quality control guide the process, culminating in this massive From the farm to the bottle, every step is meticulously controlled. High-speed fillers handle the rich ketchup, The process begins with meticulous inspection on the conveyor line. After a thorough wash, high-speed
Our journey begins at the farm. Once harvested, the tomatoes are rushed to the factory where they are washed,
This facility processes thousands of tomatoes every hour, utilizing state-of-the-art robotics to guarantee efficiency and purity from farm to shelf. The ketchup is flash heated and then rapidly cooled to maintain that fresh tomato flavor before being transferred to the high-speed bottle filling line. Inside this state-of-the-art facility, precision engineering transforms tons of ripe tomatoes into the ketchup enjoyed worldwide. From fresh harvest to high-speed bottling and stringent quality control, this facility processes tons of tomatoes daily for worldwide shipment. All right, the weight is confirmed. You're cleared to move ahead to the wash bay. Copy that. Proceeding now. Inside this state-of-the-art facility, high-speed conveyors move the harvest through washing and sorting, utilizing precision engineering at every step. The journey begins as fresh tomatoes are rigorously washed and sorted, then pulped. The mixture is concentrated in massive. Once packaged, the ketchup is transported by automated guided vehicles, ready to be shipped worldwide from this state-of-the-art facility. In the fully automated high bay warehouse, precision logistics ensure that the finished ketchup cases are efficiently moved from the production line to awaiting shipment. Here at the heart of the operation, massive evaporators remove water, turning the pulp into the rich, thick ketchup we know.
From sun-drenched farms, the harvest arrives. Advanced machinery washes and sorts the tomatoes. From the moment they're harvested, these tomatoes undergo a rigorous, automated journey through our state-of-the-art facility. The journey to create the world's favorite ketchup begins here, as tons of ripe tomatoes arrive for processing. This is where the magic happens. The vacuum evaporators gently remove the excess water.
Inside these massive vacuum evaporators, the pulp is concentrated before moving to the high-speed bottling line, where thousands of bottles are filled every hour. From the moment they arrive, these tomatoes are transformed in a marvel of modern engineering, bottled at incredible speed for global distribution.
A symphony of stainless steel and precision engineering transforms these vibrant tomatoes. High-speed
In these massive tanks, the pulp is evaporated and refined. Precision sensors monitor the moisture content, ensuring consistent quality. The optical sorter scans thousands of tomatoes per minute. High-speed pneumatic jets remove any imperfections before the fruit is washed and sent to the crushers. High-speed automation handles the final packaging, with robotic palletizers stacking thousands of bottles an hour for shipment worldwide. Maintaining the precise pH balance is crucial. This ensures the ketchup's vibrant taste and extends its shelf life naturally. From the moment the fresh tomatoes arrive, advanced automation and strict quality control ensure every bottle meets the highest standards. Streaks. After washing, the tomatoes pass through optical sorters. Here, high-speed cameras identify imperfection.
The journey from farm to bottle is nearly complete. These high-speed lines fill and seal thousands of units every.
Utilizing state-of-the-art automation, the ketchup is precisely mixed and rapidly bottled, ensuring peak freshness and quality control at every step. Inside these massive stainless steel tanks, the agitators spin slowly, blending the concentrated pulp with a precise blend of spices and vinegar. The concentrated tomato pulp travels through kilometers of hygienic stainless steel pipelines before precise dosing initiates the final mixing stage. It begins with rigorous optical sorting and washing. The tomatoes are then crushed and concentrated in these massive evaporators before high-speed bottling.
Precision engineering meets peak ripeness. From the moment the tomatoes arrive, every step is meticulously controlled, culminating in.
From the moment they arrive, these tomatoes undergo a meticulous process, ensuring that every bottle meets the highest standards of quality and flavor. The journey begins with fresh tomatoes, rigorously cleaned, before high-speed pulpers extract the rich, vibrant.
Fresh from the farm, these vibrant tomatoes undergo rigorous optical sorting and washing before being crushed into.
Every day, tons of fresh tomatoes arrive at the facility, beginning their journey through this state-of-the-art processing line. After optical sorting, the tomatoes are crushed and pulped. The mixture is then evaporated and homogenized before high-speed bottling and robotic palletizing. The process begins with careful sorting before the tomatoes are concentrated in our vacuum evaporators, where precise acetons. From the moment they arrive, the tomatoes undergo a rigorous process of washing, sorting, evaporation, and maintenance. From sun-ripened fields to high-speed bottling lines, every step of the process is meticulously controlled. The journey begins with the freshest tomatoes, sorted by light, then crushed and reduced in giant evaporators before high-speed bottling. From the farm to the fully automated warehouse, every step of the process is handled with precision engineering and state-of-the-art technology. From the fields to the bottle, every step of the process is meticulously controlled. Advanced optics sort the fine
From the moment the tomatoes arrive, precision is paramount. In the lab, we meticulously measure the density.
The journey begins with fresh tomatoes, washed and sorted by advanced technology, ensuring only the best pulp moves to the evaporators. From fresh harvest to automated warehouse, this facility processes thousands of tons daily, ensuring quality and efficiency at every step.
Fresh from the farm, advanced automation and precision engineering allow us to thousands of tomatoes and
After evaporation, it's time for Scene 77, the precise addition of vinegar.
Scene 78, sugar added. Here, precise ingredient dosing systems introduce the final spices and sugar. After evaporation, the concentrated ketchup is precisely filled into sterilized bottles at high speed, overseen by our diligent quality control team.
From the massive blending tanks, the ketchup is transferred through hygienic pipelines to the high-speed filling machines. The high-speed filling machines handle thousands of bottles per hour. After capping and labeling, the robotic arms Inside this state-of-the-art facility, millions of tomatoes are transformed daily. Advanced crushers and vacuum evaporators. From the moment they arrive, these vibrant tomatoes undergo a rigorous automated journey through washing, pulping. It all begins with high-quality tomato seeds, carefully selected for their rich flavor and vibrant color. Fresh tomatoes are crushed and pulped, then evaporated under vacuum. Next, precision dosing. From sun-drenched fields to the heart of the factory, only the freshest tomatoes are selected for Heinz ketchup. The viscosity is exactly within the target range.
And the color grading is perfect for this batch.
The journey begins with a high-pressure wash, followed by optical sorting to guarantee peak freshness before crushing.
Once harvested, the vibrant red tomatoes are transported to the washing stage, where high-pressure water ensures. From the moment the ripe tomatoes arrive, they undergo a sophisticated process. Washed, sorted, and crushed, the pulp is blended. The journey begins with the pulpers, separating the skin from the rich, vibrant liquid. It's then evaporated. From the moment they arrive, these vibrant tomatoes undergo a rigorous process of sorting and washing.
Freshly harvested tomatoes arrive daily, undergoing rigorous washing and optical sorting before being crushed and reduced in our state-of-the-art evaporators.
Excellence. Inside this state-of-the-art facility, millions of tomatoes are transformed daily. Precision engineering and robotic automation.
The journey from farm to bottle starts here. Advanced automation precisely sorts and washes the ripe harvest before it's transformed into pulp.
The journey begins as tons of ripe tomatoes arrive from the fields. Once inside the state-of-the-art facility, massive vacuum evaporators ensure the perfect consistency before the mixture is precisely bottled at high speed. Washed and transported via high-volume water flumes, the tomatoes move quickly towards the optical sorters. This
Proceeding. From the moment the tomatoes arrive, they undergo a precise journey through washing, crushing, and evaporation.
Even with advanced optical sorters, the human eye remains critical. These workers meticulously inspect and remove any